Hi, welcome to eSpares, I'm Matt. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix the Zanussi washer dryer error codes E40, E41, E42, E43, E44 and E45. These error codes indicate that there is a problem with your Zanussi washer dryer door lock and it needs to be replaced. So in this video I'll be showing you how to carry out a Zanussi washer dryer door lock replacement to get your machine up and running once more. To replace the door lock you will need a Torx T20 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver and a new door lock, and we'll include a link to where you can buy a new door lock in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To access the door lock, you'll first need to get the door seal out of the way. To do this, first pry your flathead screwdriver under the door seal's outer retaining band and work the band free. With the retaining band removed, pull the door seal away from the cabinet and then fold the seal inside the drum, like so, and this will give you better access to the door lock. Using your Torx T20 screwdriver, remove the two screws that hold the door lock in place. And then to remove the door lock itself, push to the left, pull back, push to the right, and then the door lock is free. Remove the door lock cover, simply lift it up from both sides, front and back, and the door lock is free. Remove the electrical connections, and then finally the emergency door lock release can be removed from the door lock itself. Now it's time to fit the new door lock on your Zanussi washer dryer. But before you do that, you're going to need to know the exact model number of your appliance. This will help ensure that you're getting the exact part for your specific make and model. Now, if you have no idea what the model number is or how to find it, don't worry. Check out our video guide here on how to find your washing machine's model number, which will tell you everything you need to know. To fit the new door lock, first reconnect the emergency door release lever by pushing it into place on the new lock. Then reconnect the electrical connections. Do make sure that the wires are inside the cover. And then you can fit your new door lock into the door lock cover. Just make sure the clips are in place on the front and the back. And then you can place the lock and cover inside the machine. To fit inside the cabinet, simply tilt it into place. Make sure it's secure before fixing your screws. Now that the door lock is secure, you can pull the door seal back out and reposition it back around the door frame. Take your time with this. Make sure that the lip of the door seal wraps around the cabinet lip here. When that's done, you can refit your outer retaining band. To refit the outer retaining band onto the door seal, wrap it round as far as you can by hand, and then carefully and gently use your flathead screwdriver to lever it into position. Again, make sure you don't rush this so you're not damaging the door seal or the cabinet of your washer dryer. So there we have it, how to fix the Zanussi washer dryer fault codes E40, E41, E42, E43, E44 and E45. This Zanussi washer dryer lock repair guide has hopefully allowed your machine to get back up and running once again, and your machine's door is closing and locking properly. Now before you go, if your machine has the opposite problem and the door is stuck closed, do not worry. And of course, if your model does not have the emergency door release lever, this is the video for you. How to release a stuck washing machine door, which will give you all the information you could possibly need. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things e-spares, repair guides, maintenance advice, money and energy saving tips, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.